In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your crosshair in CS2, so be sure to watch the video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going on a practice match, and then opening up your settings. Now, if you want to go to the crosshairs that are available on CS2, there are different styles. So there's classic, there is static, which just stays the same and does not move at all other than with your camera. Then there is also legacy, which when you are shooting, it will move, just like that. And then the other one, which is classic, is the one that moves in and out when you are in game. So for example, if I am shooting, as you can see, the crosshair is moving in and out. Now, those are the three that are available on CS2, but if you do want to actually choose one that is different than these, you can go to the link in the description, and there is a way to actually change the thickness, the size, and the gap that is on your crosshairs. So for example, if I wanted to use this one, you can also change the color if I wanted it to be red. And it'll look like this in game. It's really cool because you can actually see it in real time. And if you actually wanted to save this, you would copy this, go back into your CS2, open up your developer console, and paste that in. Now, unfortunately, since I am in a practice game, it won't actually work, but it does work once you actually redo in-game. Now, it just will say that it's unable to retrieve the resources, but it still shows, and that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.